The bone of contention is geometrical construction. Geometrical construction is the process of drawing out geometrical figures such as lines, angles, using the compass, a ruler, and all of that. So today we are asked to construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC. Line BD is equal to 7.0 centimeter, line AC is equal to 8.0 centimeter, and angle BKC is equal to 60 degrees. Measure the diagonal line BD. So let's get started. We are going to be making use of a ruler, a compass, and also a protractor to check out the angles, the measurements. You rule out a line, a straight line, using your ruler to get out that line. Rule out a straight line, just a straight line. So having done that, we are asked to get out angle BKC, which is equal to 60 degrees. You rule out a straight line like I've just done. Then you name it. K become K. Before we do all of these things, we are told that construct the parallelogram ABCD. So you sketch out this to help you out. AB, C, and D. So where we are going is something of this nature, something of this nature, something of this nature. That's what we are trying to get out. So you take out your compass. This is the compass. So you choose a convenient radius. A radius, if you can increase this is a radius, this is a radius, and this is also a radius. So we are taking one. You choose out a convenient radius. So you now make K the center. You place your compass on this. You place your compass on K. When you place your compass on K, you inscribe an arc. So the compass is on K now, and I've just inscribed an arc. You inscribe an arc. Just like this, I've been able to inscribe an arc. Don't forget your pencil must be properly sharpened. You inscribe an arc at the point of intersection. The point, your lines must be visible. At the point of intersection, you can also name it. You name it, let's name it P. Also, you bring out your compass again. This is your compass, and take P as your center. Having done that, P as your center, you then bisect the arc. You bisect the arc. So use a ruler. Then to measure, use a ruler at the point of intersection to K. Draw out a straight line. Good, very, very good to K. So this is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So we were able to get out 60 degrees. Having done that, so there's a need to continue with the ruler. Don't forget, we are constructing a parallelogram. So I will talk about the parallelogram and some of the features of a parallelogram. So we have K. So looking at the equation, get out line BD, which is equal to 7.0 centimeter. Also consider the rough sketch. So we have A, B, C, D. So this will be B. So let's go with B. BD is 7.0. So we have B, we have D. So you measure 7.0. 7.0 divided by 2, that will give us, we'll get out 3.5 centimeter. So everything is in centimeter. That's the measurement. That's the scale, centimeter. So your ruler, you place 3.5. 3.5 will be at K. So having done that, 3.5 is on K. 3.5 is on K. So you elongate the line. You elongate the line. 3.5 is on K. So there might be a need to erase some of this. so that it will now tally. So we have, it means that here we have 3.5 centimeter. Also, we have 3.5 centimeter. So you can now name it. You name this as B. We've gotten B. You also name this as D. So we're able to get out this. Also, what else did they say we should do? They said we should get out AC. AC is equal to 8.0 centimeter. And look at our rough sketch. We have it on the board. AC. So which means A and C. 8 centimeters. So you make use of your ruler again and place 4. 4 will be at the point of intersection, that is 4 will be on K. So if 4 is on K, this is 4 directly on K. This is 4 on K. So what do we need to do? You elongate the line. That is, you draw out a line. So we are able to get that 4 directly. So also there might be need to erase some of these, the lines, to see that it is equal. So you get 4, you get 4. So that's what we talk about. So this is 4 and this is also 4. So this is 4, 4, and this is what? 4. You see what we talk about? So we are able to get out 4. This is 4 and this is also, this side is also 4. So what do we need to do now? You just join up. You join up the lines from B, making use of your ruler. So the ruler is important. I'll be making use of the ruler to join up. You join up this to this. So able to join that up. So this is A. Therefore, this is A and this is C. Let's join up. Join up. This is C. You join up this side. Also, there's need to join up. You join up. You still need to join up. Join up this to this. So we're able to join up. So a parallelogram, some of those features is what I'm going to write out. So this side, this line BD, must be parallel to the opposite side. So this line must be parallel to the other side. That is to say, AD must be parallel to BC. AD must be parallel to BC. Those are the features or the characteristics of a parallelogram. That's the meaning of this symbol. AD is parallel to BC. Also, another symbol here, line BD is also parallel. Line BD, that is line AB, is also parallel to line DC. These are some of the features of a parallelogram. Line DC is parallel to line AB. Also, looking at the diagonal, they say measure the diagonal line BD. Where is BD? This is BD. 3.5 plus 3.5, automatically line BD is equal to what? Is equal to subscribe. To get more of this educative content, do well to subscribe. As you subscribe, you will solve out problem, related problem, familiar problem, WAEC standard problem that will educate you, help you, and keep you informed. So see what we've done so far. AD is parallel to BC. AB is also parallel to DC. Line BD, we've been able to get out that. That is line BD. Where's line BD? This is B and this is D. So if you look at the diagonal 3.5, 3.5, automatically that becomes 7.0 centimeter. So we have said that. We have said that. So those are the diagonal. So this is a diagonal and this is also another diagonal. So the symbol here shows that this is equal to this and this is also equal to this. That is what we've been able to get out. So it therefore implies that we've been successfully able to construct a parallelogram.